All right, drink we're about to make is called a puffer. Let's go ahead and put some ice in a glass here and measure out 2 ounces of light rum. And we'll follow that up with 2 ounces of orange juice and 2 ounces of grapefruit juice. And we'll go ahead and stir that up. Just get everything mixed together. And with the orange juice and the grapefruit juice in there, you really won't taste any of that light rum unless you add more than we did. All right, last thing we're going to do is take our grenadine and we'll just send about one teaspoon right down the middle. And it'll shoot right to the bottom. And we'll add a straw, and bottoms up.